Hi, Scott Schubert here. Today I'm going to share with you some kind of interesting and exciting information that I've been learning about from some of the investment and wealth creation groups that I'm involved with. And if you're at all involved in trading financial markets, you may already know that Forex fund managers are currently in high demand throughout the world. And well, in spite of all the scams, the bankrupt brokers that we've recently heard about, and extreme difficulty of achieving real success, Forex trading remains a wildly popular industry all throughout the world. The reason is kind of obvious, and that is the potential for high returns with small capital invested. But of course, with that potential for high return is also the risk of loss. And you know, the truth is that very few people have the patience and discipline to invest even as much time, work, and money as they would getting a 2-year degree at a trade school. Sad to say, the ridiculously unrealistic expectations that are partly encouraged by trading product vendors causes people to try trading for a short time and then quickly give up. When people get interested in trading, they try to learn how to trade and find that it takes more than 3 to 6 months, then they quickly lose interest and move on to something else. For some reason, very few people approach Forex trading with the same kind of realistic common sense as they would with any other business or career. When they discover that it takes work and patience, then they look for other alternatives like robots, trading software, proprietary indicators, and trading signals. It's kind of obvious that most people approach trading more like a hobby and really more like a casino game than like they would a business. Many people actually open Forex trading accounts, and after giving up on learning to trade, they subscribe to a signal service hoping to get into a trade that works out without even having any idea why. Just hoping they can somehow imitate some other trader's entries and exits and get some profit that way. Because trading the Forex market and other financial markets does have a potential for high return, along with that risk of loss, right now more people throughout the world are realizing that the only sensible way for them to profit from the Forex market, if they're not going to actually learn how to trade, is to open a managed Forex account. That way they can totally get rid of all the stress and worry and have a passive form of investment and let somebody else do the trading. And the need for trained, winning Forex traders is in extreme high demand throughout the world. Have you ever noticed that as soon as you mention to any of your friends that you're trading Forex, some of them will say, can you trade some money for me? The fact is, if you're consistently winning in Forex trading, almost anyone would want you to trade some money for them, especially if you can prove that you're increasing capital every month over a period of years. Right now, there are investment firms, banks, trading firms, or managed funds in cities all around the world, including New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, London, Dubai, Hong Kong, and Singapore that are looking for experienced traders. You're probably already aware that some of the traders who came from our training program have already been hired by these firms and allocated customers' capital to trade. In today's rapidly changing economy, the field of Forex fund management can potentially be one of the most desirable and highest paid jobs in the world for those who have mastered the business. Becoming a Forex fund manager enables you to have a career or business that's likely to stay in extremely high demand during all kinds of global economic changes. In other business sectors, people may be laid off, but in the financial world, it's very likely that there's always going to be a need for traders who can consistently show good results. It's a career that could earn you tremendous respect and recognition. You can work in an ultra-modern office building with a prestigious trading firm, or if you prefer the more independent lifestyle, you can trade from almost anywhere in the world on your own and still be managing capital for other people. And what a lot of people have discovered is that the trading methods that do really work in Forex tend to work the same for stocks, commodities, futures and metals. If you do know how to trade, you can probably trade other markets if you ever decide to do that. The skill of successfully trading financial markets can create a lifetime of security and make you one of the most sought-after professionals in the world.
And I stumbled across your system with your method. We have got back up to our original account when we started this. So it is amazing. We took a week and just devoured your lessons and come back into my study here at my house and just looked at the market with a completely different attitude. And it was amazing the amount of stress that was gone within a week. We were looking for trade signals from you. Well, just like you were talking about teaching somebody to fish and not just giving them fish, you have taught us a tremendous amount. I'll never be able to tell you how much you taught us, but it's just that assurance of knowing exactly what we're doing is backed up by the good example that you're setting. So we haven't lost because of our ability not to trade now, as opposed to feeling the need to trade. So we just in that statement alone, I can tell you how much we've learned from that process, because we were at a point of losing nightly, and now we're not losing nightly.
Well, actually, I started to learn properly when I was in the platinum group, to be honest. I mean, but it was in the platinum group where it really shocked me, because I was like, I didn't know how everything worked until I was in the group, because the way you teach is very good. The way you explain everything, how you organize yourself, how to be aware of economic data coming out, how to manage yourself, manage the trades. So it's there where I really understood how to identify beginning and end of trends. And also where I really discovered how trading works. I really wanted to be a professional trader. I mean, that's what I really want to do in my life, and with time it clicks, and when it clicks, it's even more exciting. So I used what I learned from you, and they liked it. I feel quite respected there. They like the results. If I can use my own strategy and they like it, and they can give me some funds, that's even better, because I have more freedom, you see, and I don't wanna do anything else. I like to do what I do. I apply my own strategy, and I know it works, so why would I change? The quality of the teaching is really good, because you're not only developing traders, because you're quite technical as well. You are developing technical analysts as well, and watching how you organize yourself, how you explain things, how you correlate some pairs with others, and all that. So really, you're not only developing traders. I think it's a very complete set of skills. I think, it outperforms them quite a lot. I think because it is possible to get sometimes over 300 pips per week. I mean, and maybe for some people it's amazing, but I mean, that's what we learn in the platinum trading groups, to find these trades that they happen almost weekly. So if we compare it in the amount of pips, yes, I mean, I think I haven't seen anything better than this strategy, to be honest. It's incredible how you can get those amount of pips with few trades. I mean, that's the beauty of it as well.
It's really revolutionary the way you've highlighted an approach to trading. Obviously, I've been gaining in the trade, and that's phenomenal. I've never actually made the progress that I have over the last 2-3 months. Phenomenal, absolutely incredible. And this time I said, you know what? It makes sense. Go back and look at it. And the amount of crap that's out there, unbelievable. It really changed my life significantly in terms of looking at the trading. Incredible.
And thank you for all the hard work and effort that you do on the daily videos. It's just fantastic education. And like you said before, you're teaching people to fish, not just handing them a fish.
I'm making roughly just over 800 pips per month. No, I'm trading full time.
Last week I took about 1,200, or this week gone by now. It increased on capital each week, but this week from past now I doubled up my account.
I've had my increase in my rate. My average is about 76%. Great success since then. I've brought my account. I've almost doubled, more than doubled it actually, since in the last month. very successful at it. The difference is that it works. I've checked out some other ones I've seen online, but I didn't get the type of knowledge that I acquired from this course, because I got clarity from this course. I had understanding. I'm able to look at the trend and determine what the next move.
Really excited about the system. Been trading for a few years, and this is the best thing I've seen. It really seems to be a real opportunity, as opposed to some of the other systems I've gone through that were very vague and very subjective, and didn't really seem to get very far with them. Yeah, I don't even want to look at anybody else's Elliott Wave. I have no interest in seeing anybody else's books on it after seeing your method, Scott. Just the whole, it just makes so much sense and just seems to simplify it.
The actual understanding is what's really, in my opinion, is the importance. And I do feel that we really cover this. We really get this with the Mastermind Platinum group. And I like it. I started learning about trading about a year ago. I am achieving excellent results at the moment, I feel, and majorly my understanding and my confidence in myself and in the system. I finally see that the system does work, and there is a real way of making consistent profits in the market. Very happy that I'm being able to make a consistent profit.
If you're totally fed up with all the Forex gimmicks designed for people who want to avoid actually learning to trade, and if you understand that learning to trade takes work, discipline, and patience, you may be qualified to begin the path to becoming a professional Forex fund manager. The Trading Mastermind Yin Yang Forex training system, which has become somewhat legendary in the industry, is a complete online training program, and not too long ago we began offering 3 months of live daily training in order to make sure that people really get the skill of how to trade, and that the trading methods go from theory to practice with results in your own account. During this limited enrollment period, we have extended this to 12 full months of live daily training, all included free with your purchase of the course. And to make it easy for everyone, the course is also available with a super low monthly payment. This will only be available for a limited time to a small group of people who are committed to actually learning to trade for a business and understand that success in trading involves an actual development of skill over time, not a purchase of a gimmick trading product that's supposed to trade for you or eliminate the need for you to actually understand how to trade. Why do we offer this? Trading Mastermind is a community of professional traders and aspiring professionals who all benefit from trading together in real time, social networking, and building resources for people who trade financial markets professionally. Here's what you need to do next. Go to www.forextradingseminar.com, and you'll need to scroll down and click on Enroll Now if the button is still there, and sign up using your credit card. Start studying the training material online, and whenever you're ready, join in the live daily trading sessions and start putting your new knowledge into practice and developing your skill as a trader. What will happen if you don't do this? For one thing, the Platinum Trading Group will close its doors to new members, and also realistically you might waste more months and years spending money on useless Forex gimmicks that don't work. You might actually miss the opportunity to enter the field that really fits your goals and dreams in life. In trading financial markets, especially in the Forex field, be sure to read all risk disclosures and choose your broker wisely and read all of their risk disclosures. If you're really serious about becoming a Forex fund manager, be sure to take action now, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you'll be ready to start your own fund management business or start trading with a prestigious firm in the city of your choice. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. This is Scott Schubert. Remember to live deliberately and trade deliberately and deliberately create the life that you want.